In 7.6, we're going to talk about doing tessellations only using translations. So one of the cool things is that there was a gentleman named M.C. Escher who traveled to Spain and was fascinated by the tile patterns that Islamic masters had painted. Using steps like the following, we can create our own tessellation figure. So we already know from previous lessons that any quadrilateral will tessellate the plane. So here, as an example, we have a square. If I put this square and I put it on the floor and I repeat that square over and over and over again, I can completely cover the floor's surface. But what happens if I take a cutout? So let's say I take a triangle and I chop this triangle out of the square. And as a result, I take that cutout triangle and I slide it, which is the translation part of this unit, all the way to the far end. So my new figure that I have looks like this in red. And what had happened is the cutout part that I had from before, which I'll highlight right here in the blue. This light blue is no longer there. It has been moved to here. So the new figure, which is actually a six-sided figure, will also tessellate the plane. And what M.C. Escher discovered is whenever we do a translational pattern with cutting out something of a figure we already know to tessellate the plane, we create another shape that will also tessellate the plane. This is called a tessellation using only translations. So cut out a piece of a figure you know that works, slide it to the other end, and that figure will also tessellate the plane.